Wrap the yarn around your right index finger. Make a magic loop. Wrap the yarn around your left index and middle fingers. And hold the loop. Insert the hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through loop on the hook. We complete first chain stitch. Insert the hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. We complete first single crochet. We insert the stitch marker in first stitch. Second single crochet. Third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth single crochet. Sixth single crochet. Seventh single crochet. Eighth single crochet. Ninth single crochet. Tenth single crochet. Then we tap on the tail to close the hole in the middle of the work, just like magic. Beginners need insert the stitch marker in the first and last stitch of every loop.